Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Today, it's a good time to test this SkyEasy beginner's FPV plane with a GPS-based autopilot installed inside, and test its features, see how it flies, see how it behaves, see how beginner friendly it is. Now allow me to tell you that I did make two flights yesterday, and I found there are a couple of things that you need to do before you actually throw this plane in the air. First off, let's fly it because winds are calm. I hope they stay calm, they don't get big. And then we will conclude if this is any good beginner's FPV plane or not. And of course after that we'll go modify it and make it an awesome FPV plane for sure. Before the flight, let me show you the radio control, its features and its menu systems. Turning the radio on, it says top wing. I have no idea why it says top wing. Anyway, because the wing is on the top. Alright, so here, Mac free. I've used this radio before. Now, once the radio is on, you can see different kind of information here. We have the voltage on the radio. It does show the signal strength on the left, so that means it does have that two-way or dual-way transmission. So this has telemetry, which is very, very good. Okay, to go to the menu, just press the ESC and you have monitor, where you can monitor the channels and everything that works. And then you have reverse, you have dual rate and expo, you have mixing, and after that you have flight setup, and you have GPS setup, and some other setup, and then the version. So we're gonna go to the flight setup first. It shows receiver type, gyro reverse, aileron PID, elevator PID, rudder PID, receiver mounting position, and right info to record. Very nice, very good. Okay, so escape, go to the GPS setup. Now, this is where you will set the fencing, which is a good feature. At the moment, it says minimum altitude 10 meters, so probably it's not gonna cross that minimum altitude. And basically this is all GPS based. I'm not sure how accurate the data is. Anyway, then we have the farthest distance, okay, which is 100 meter. Then we have max radius 40 meter and minimum speed 20 kilometer. Minimum speed 20 kilometer. Well, this is a glider, so I believe it can handle those little speeds. So we'll just leave it right here. After that, we have setup. In the setup, you have language, bind, self-level only, remote lock, voice activation, and factory reset. All right, in order to test all the features, it says when all the satellites are locked, when you toss the plane in the air, the motor will start automatically. So, well, I will put the throttle a little bit high and see if the CG is right. No, the motor doesn't start. And self-leveling mode, no, the motor doesn't start. Toss it, the motor doesn't start. So, we will manually turn the motor on and toss it in the air. All right? Here we go. Wow, look at that stable flight performance. How stable it went there. Houston, it's going down dangerously. No, it's climbing up now. Don't worry. Okay, I'm setting the throttle to, let's say, 30%. No, it's falling. Okay. It's flying here, actually. So, we'll keep it here, like a little bit lower than the middle throttle. Flight performance is very, very nice, man. Very stable. But, even on dual rates, you see, if you pull pull the roll too much, it rolls a lot actually, which it shouldn't. Okay, auto leveling feature. Auto leveling is on. Man, it's handling winds really nice. I like it. But the way it's banking a lot, man, this is not what beginners want. At the moment, my dual rates are set to like 50%, but still it's banking a whole lot. What happens if I go completely manual? There. Still banks a lot. But flight performance is really nice. In manual mode, I like it, man. So let's fly it in stabilized mode. Use the rudders to turn. I'll go a little higher. How about it? I'll take a little altitude. And then once I make a turn, I will try to activate the auto return to home. I have set the distance about 150 meter, that is fencing. So I'm not sure what will happen if it goes more than 150 meters. They said just click the RTH. No, it's not coming back. Alright, self-leveling, RTH. I'm clicking the RTH, holding the RTH. It's not coming back. It's actually diving down. Why is it? Why the RTH is not working? The user manual says that you just hit the RTH one time and it will come back. There's a button says S. What happens if you press that one? Nothing happens. It just goes down. Uh-oh. Dangerously down. Houston, mayday, mayday. Are we crashing? I don't know. Let's not press the S button. Maybe that is for crashing. I'm not sure. Why the RTH is not working? This is not good. We want RTH. If I press and hold it, still nothing happens. So I don't want to try going 150 meters because I will lose line of sight. So landing should be fine because it's a glider. It should glide and it is in a stabilized mode. So alright, the pilot came off. Pilot ejected. He said, hey, let me eject. I don't want to be on this airplane again. was nice. This thing is like a flying boat, as stable as having a gimbal on board, man. Very, very stable. I just wish that the RTH and fencing worked on this little cute radio.
But fix it.
I had you like, I was like almost.
You were really close.
Almost
Actually,
hitting you.
you need to be careful with the prop.
It was a
Tread your
chocolate
nose.
nose, and I have a battery right here.
There's going to be some fire hazard.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?